Sandstone floor maintenance Codicote. The main problem with sandstone flooring in a kitchen is the loss of the sealer. Without a sealer, porous sandstone quickly becomes ingrained and difficult to clean. Before cleaning the sandstone, vacuum thoroughly, to remove dry soil. This will stop grit from mixing with your cleaner to make an aggressive cutting paste. Use a pH-neutral cleaner that is diluted with water according to the manufacturer's instructions. Do not use bleaches, or washing up liquids, which can cause damage to the sealer. Over time, sealers can wear down, depending on how the floor is used. So we recommend you top up an impregnating floor sealer, at least once a year. Give your floor a thorough clean, rinse with clean water, then allow the floor to dry. Then apply 1 or 2 coats of the original sealer. This will save you a lot of time and money in the long term. Contact Abbey Floor Care when you need sandstone cleaning in Codicote, Hitchin, and Hertfordshire.